Repairing a plastic transparent fridge drawer. Most people have tried and failed using various types of glue to repair the cracked plastic used in these drawers. A better way to go is plastic welding with wire reinforcement. So you'll need some thin gauge wire. I'm using 22 caliber steel wire. A soldering iron which has a decent amount of wattage and some thin nose pliers. Do the plastic welding outside to avoid breathing in any fumes. Align the broken pieces and start to lightly tack melt the plastic back together with small gaps between each joint. Once tack welded, you can union melt the whole joint line. Try not to stay on any one spot too long. Now on to placing the bridging wire. For the first part of the fracture I decided to zigzag the wire, but truthfully it is easier to bridge the fracture using individual small pieces. Apply the soldering iron to the wire and it will heat quickly and melt into the plastic. You need the wire to be about halfway below the surface. Now to lightly melt the plastic back over the wire. To finish off, I decided to sandpaper over the fracture to smooth out any ridges, and the hazing also helps to hide the joint. If you have any comments or questions, please put them below. If the video was useful, please consider giving it a like or subscribing to my channel. Many thanks.